Welcome to episode number 76. The paneling for my safety door and the foyer area has been completed. So we'll be very soon starting with the lamination. This is a passage which is a partial partition from the passage end, and from the kitchen end it has a storage element there. This is the service platform, the breakfast counter. The lamination what you see here is for the kids bedroom, since we are working everywhere, so can't actually dedicatedly tell you that which furniture is for which room. But as of now there is a carpentry which is majorly going on site, and the painting leveling work, I have already posted a small reel for the leveling of walls, but the painting leveling is majorly uh, done on site. In the kids bedroom, similarly packing of furniture for painting as well as the carpentry element is extensively going on. So this all are intricate works which takes time, and that is how it takes a bit longer time for the completion. So this series is, I think, making you giving a great clarity of how actually the work happens on site, with regards to focusing on each and every element, be it carpentry, painting, electrical, civil work, and so on. So well guys, thank you so very much for being patient and with me in this journey. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.